Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out some cases from Ringke. I want to thank them for sending these out for review. I contacted them a couple days ago. We've worked together in the past, and they were very quick to send these cases out for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'm going to take a look at what they sent. I got to pull them out of the box real quick. My address is on the other side, so let's see. It looks like we have 3 cases in here, as well as a little thank you card, which is on cardboard, which is nice, pretty environmentally friendly right there. Nice little touch. Then we have our 3 cases right here. So it looks like they sent their Fusion Pro, or their Fusion Clear case for the iPhone 11 Pro. We have the Fusion X right here, which I had one of those for my One Plus, I believe. Nice case. And then we have our Onyx Pro right here in black. So I'm going to go ahead and open each one of these and we'll take a quick look at it. And then we will be doing a little review later on after I've had a chance to use each one of them. So here we go. Looks like we have a little card in there, some pictures on it, and then some discounts for Amazon, I believe, for some different cases right there. So this one is just a kind of brushed, it looks like brushed metal on the back. It is plastic or rubber material, kind of both, but it looks like a brushed metal back, which is kind of nice. Looks pretty good. We'll be trying that one out. Not going to be putting them on the phone in this video, just going to show you guys the cases, and then like I said, I'll do a final review on the phone and show you guys what they look like and all that kind of stuff. Got a lot of cases to get through in reviews, so I'm not going to change them all out right now. Same stuff in this one. This one's got a clear back. We do have a protective film over it, so you can peel that off. Nice case right there. I'll probably actually use this one a lot. I like this case on my OnePlus 7 Pro just because it gives you a good view of the back, but it's still got these like grip points right here and feels really good in the hand. So that's one of my favorites right there. And then we have a clear one right here. I'm a big fan of clear cases. I do like the clear cases that don't yellow, so we'll have to test that out on this one. I've got one from Spec that is guaranteed not to yellow, so we'll have to compare them and see which one does better. It's got little vent holes right here so you don't get condensation and stuff on the back. Helps with that rainbowing effect as well. But just a plain TPU style. It's very, it's got a rubberized side with a plastic back. So very see-through, very sturdy, nice case. So these are the 3 cases we have from Ringke. Right here, I still have some Patchworks cases to show you guys and some Spec cases to do a review on. I already showed you the Spec cases. But I will be doing a video, like an accessory video for the iPhone 11 Pro with AirPods and some cases and stuff like that. Just some different accessories that I've picked up for it so far. And I'll be doing that one shortly, so look out for that one. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.